The chairman and CEO of Microsoft, Satya Nadella, mentioned the world is rapidly running out of computing capacity. Now that's a real world problem because a lot of things which are still centralized can scale up to a certain limit. We need a decentralized power for computing. Now Gaiman.io is an organization established in 2018 which is working towards solving this kind of an issue. So let's talk about Gaiman more in detail. Quick disclaimer, this video is designed for educational purposes. Please do your own research before investing, as I'm not a financial advisor. Now, the token name is GMRX, and this is Gaiman.io's token. Now, from a utility standpoint, it is leveraging the unused GPU computational power for mining. To give you a bit of a concept around that, there are around 2 to 3 billion gamers, across the world. Now, if you are using a gaming laptop or a gaming PC, you would know that graphics card computation power is so huge, but it is still unutilized. Primarily, from a computer standpoint, it is more towards the CPU, which is whether it's Intel or AMD, etc. Whereas there is a mining which is happening through the graphics card specifically for Bitcoin. There are people who have been having multiple graphics cards in the last few years to have the mining running for the Bitcoin and other different projects, including Ethereum. Now, what this particular token is doing is it is leveraging unused GPU computational power, so it can work in the background while the gamers gonna play their games. There will be unused power that can be leveraged for mining a particular token. So that has it has its own utility. Company name Gaiman.io. IDO price. Now the current private sale price is 0.005 USD. Again, as I mentioned, I'm not a financial advisor, but once the private sale opens to the public, we have seen a minimum gain of 5x. It can go to 10x, can go to 20x. Many of the coins have reached to 20x, but let's be conservative that it will open at 5x. Now, operational, yes, I've seen the product. I use the product for a bit of mining, so it has workable product available. Exchange listing, it's gonna happen in Q2. They have been saying Q4 2021, but they are, to be honest, they are slow in the deployment, but looking so far so good. The gaming integration is happening with Minecraft and many other games. NFT platform, yes. The big competition is going to happen with nice hash because there are a lot of miners, the gaming PCs are leveraging nice hash to do the mining. But as I said, the GMRX is an ecosystem. It's not a one particular token. They're leveraging it they can leverage it for many other purposes. The marketing is going to start in a month or so, but the main USP is they have been calling themselves as Uber of data processing power, and it makes sense to me. The country, they are the US firm, but they are planning to incorporate it in Switzerland, so that's work in progress. Now, the two main risks that I could see here is people are moving from proof of work to asset mining. That's one. The second thing is that we also have a proof of stake happening, but I still feel that it will be a hybrid environment always. You cannot have a proof of stake. Proof of work, it has its own advantages, so that will continue along with proof of stake. The other big risk is, I will not say a risk, but the issue is that the US residents cannot sign in to the platform. So that's one of the, I would say not the best thing, but still it is open for the rest of the world. Before we close again, it's absolutely a great project, and I just want to reiterate that in 2017, economists wrote that world's most valuable resource is no longer oil, but data. So the data becomes, the computational power, it's going to be the huge requirement in the coming years, and Gaiman through GMRX token is solving that particular issue where you have a PC at home, a gaming PC at home. You can leverage the unused power to do the computational for mining. That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Full disclosure, I have bought some GMRX already, and I'm waiting for 1st March launch, and I'm expecting some gains there. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.